Hi everyone, this is Shomrita from Arcadia, and today we have interior designer Hitesh Anand with us from HS Design Mumbai. Good evening, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. How are you, Somrita?
Sir, I am good too. It's really nice to have you here today, and we have few questions for you. And I would just like to start with the fact that just wanted to understand, sir, what does design mean to you?
Design for me is a creative process. It's like a cocktail of instinct, skill, and it is like a highly creative feverishness. It's a particular state where everything happens so quickly. It's a mixture, like a mixture of consciousness, unconsciousness, fear, and joy. It's little like you lost yourself literally when you want to create something and get into the role. And thus it wipe off dust from your everyday's life. So one can design, one can feel so pure and satisfactory after they create something. So that's the design for me.
So, so now I just wanted to understand because I was going through your profile where you have mentioned that you believe in that the design functionality and fluidity is a balance. So, how do you maintain that while designing?
I feel designing just a good home is not enough. You also need to adapt the measure to ensure that beauty lasts for longer period of time. And I think the very first towards it is a space planning, how we define spaces and make the most of available spaces. Second most important thing is right use of material combination as a palette. And third and very important thing is termination, details, and proportion are some of the most important aspect every designer should look into, which I feel not have an impact on its own, but when placed together, it works very well. So this mainly last three things which I mentioned: detail, proportion, and termination. I I I have seen that many of designers or they loosen here. They cannot give a justification here. So these three things are very much important.
So, sir, while you design, I believe when you are considering so many aspects, there might be a lot of challenges that you come across during any particular project. So, like there might be challenges of different kinds in different projects. So, what sort of challenges do you usually come across?
The major challenge is always a timeline because we are in a labor oriented field and where we are very much dependent on them, and hence meeting the timelines are always difficult because we have a practice to work with heart and soul, and not just labor part but also clients willingness to take quick decisions on material procuration and design. That's because that's also play a major role to meeting the timelines. Apart from that, encouraging client to take risk. When I say risk, that means acceptance towards newest trend. While some of my client insist me for new trends, and on the flip side, I am working with those who are having a different mindset. So that shift takes a lots of effort, but in the end every field come with some sort of challenges, and with time we come up with solution to deal with these challenges.
Yeah, we have.
So yeah,
So,
so these
sir,
are the things.
so mainly you are like what we see that you're doing corporate like HNI residences, but you have also done other projects of other segments. So just wanted to understand like is there any different in approach when you are doing corporate projects or when you are doing residential projects?
Yeah, we are doing majorly residential project, but we worked on corporate projects too.
Yes. So I'm just
I
asking
can,
you like how is it different or
yeah,
difficult it is? Which one
I
is more
cannot,
easier?
I cannot comment how difficult or easy it is because the process more or less stays the same for both of them. But in residential projects, the major difference is you have to involve in a minute detail, understanding clients' lifestyle, knowing their needs, and most importantly, you have to go beyond visuals. you can tell that you are almost adopted to serve them right kind of comfort, aesthetic, and functionality. We should be more conscious about effects that surrounding having on us, especially when it is your home where we spend our most of time. While in commercial and hospitality, understanding clients' branding and working culture is more important. So these are the things I would say.
So
These are the differences.
residential will be much more personalized and much more.
Yeah. You have to involve so much.
And
It's
for
literally like you are adopted for 6 to 8 months with them.
So, sir, while you are designing, especially residences also, or even corporate or hospitality, but when you are designing any particular project, what are the key aspects you keep in your mind that you have to make sure that these aspects are in place?
I think determining the purpose of room or space is important before you start designing. Knowing what's client's lifestyle and also keeping in mind their future needs. Also, all the spaces should connect to each other in one home because it's very essential to create a constant look. So everything has to be perfectly coordinated, and lighting is also plays an important role while we do space planning. No matter it is artificial light or a commercial light, but that itself makes a lot of difference and justify your design.
So, sir, while you were designing, have you already designed your dream project, or do you have any dream project that you would like to design?
Frankly, I have never thought of it,
Okay.
but as in terms of private residence, I got a chance to design every type of residence from a studio apartment to bungalow or a villa to a second home. Every one of them has provided me a huge opportunity to play creatively, and I had a great pleasure and love to design them. I think project or size does not matter for us. Uh, Only the right sense of chemistry between designer and client is enough.
And also maybe the sense of satisfaction after you finish the project.
Yes, definitely.
So, sir, will you be happy to share with us one of your favorite, successful or a happy project that you have done? You've been really happy after handing over that particular project.
Yeah. There are several, Somrita,
But anyone
but
that is close to your heart or
yeah.
you would like to share?
Yeah, there are, but one which is very much close to my heart is a bungalow which I did in Panchgini. I love this project in particular because of its attention to detail and the materials we used and location. Each piece of furniture tells you a story which are created, which were customized on site, and we ideated some of art pieces which came out so well, and it lifted the space entirely. Also, some of elevation part and landscape is done by us, which was quite interesting. So that is the Panchgini bungalow is one of my favorite, and each and every piece of furniture and details I like very much.
That's really nice, sir, that you have shared. And sir, also with Arcadia, we have worked for S&D corporate project. We have done a few HNI residences with you. So, how has your experience been with us over
It's
the years?
wonderful. It's wonderful. I would say I am enjoying this, since last so many years. And I would say Arcadia is a very passionate and dynamic company. And they are having very higher values and good insights of products what they source from different cities and countries. On every project, they work at par with a great coordination and understanding of clients and designer needs, and that's their USP. I personally learned so many aspects of furniture, artifacts, lighting, all from them. I must thank them.
So we are really thankful to you actually, because now that you're saying this, like it makes us feel really, really obliged, and we are like,
No, I learned so many things. I must thank.
thank you, sir. And I can't say welcome, so it will be. But really, it's a pleasure working with you always, and I hope we continue doing projects in future as well.
Yes, for sure.
And thank you very much for your time today. It's been wonderful having an insight on your thoughts of what you feel about design.
Thank you, Somrita.
Thank you, sir. Hope to connect with you soon. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.